if you're selecting any shares or any mutual fund, then how you will understand this share is perfect, this share price is perfect for you, or is over costly or normal. So for understand this, you should to know about PE ratio. So what is good PE ratio? A good PE ratio is not always a higher or low ratio on its own, not higher or not low. The market average PE ratio is currently between 20 to 25. Average PE ratio is currently between 20 to 25. This is a market average PE ratio. तो ना ज़्यादा होना चाहिए ना कम होना चाहिए. तो therefore a higher PE ratio above that may deemed negative. अगर प्राइस ज़्यादा है so that may be deemed negative. The price is too costly for purchase the share, while a lower PE ratio may be considered better. अगर PE ratio is lower than 20, then may be considered better. So this is a definition of good PE ratio. Let's understand the negative PE ratio. Means a company has negative earning. If the PE ratio going down and PE ratio is negative, then that means the company has negative earnings. Company is not making profit, it's losing money. The denominator of PE formula shown above would be a negative number. Even the most established companies experience down periods. बहुत सारी established कंपनी है, उसने एक्सपीरियंस किया है डाउन पीरियड्स, विच मे बी ड्यू टू इन्वायरमेंट फैक्टर्स लाइक कोरोना हो गया, ट्रम्प का कोई न्यूज हो गया. सो दैट अफेक्ट्स ऑन दिस कंपनी एंड मे बी ड्यू टू इन्वायरमेंट फैक्टर्स दैट आर आउट ऑफ कंपनी कंट्रोल. सो नेगेटिव P ratio, that means company is not earning, company is losing his money, he is not making profit. So this is a negative P ratio. Means what is high negative P ratio? Let's understand some. Just hold a second. I just told you related what is good PE ratio between 20 to 25. Negative PE ratio, that means company is losing money, and if the more than 25 PE ratio, then stock is too costly for current buy. What is positive PE ratio? If the share price goes much faster than the earning growth. If the what is positive PE ratio? Keep the eye and keep the ear open and listen 2-3 times this video. If the share price goes much faster than the earning growth, share price is goes much faster, share price it goes much faster than the earning growth, then PE ratio becomes high. If the share price falls much faster than earning, the PE ratio becomes low. Share price falls much faster, than earning, the PE ratio becomes low. A high PE ratio means the that a stock is expensive and its price may fall in future. Listen again. A high PE ratio means the stock is expensive and its price may fall in future. So what is a formula of PE ratio? PE ratio formula is equal, PE ratio is equal to market price per share, market price divided by earning per share. So what is a formula of earning per share? So the earning per share formula is net profit divided by numbers of share. So whatever will come called as per earning per share. So PE ratio divided by market price per share divided by earning per share is equal to PE ratio. So through that you can judge the mutual fund PE ratio or any individual share PE ratio, any unlisted share PE ratio. You can find the PE ratio, and through that you can imagine company future and think about it, should to invest or shouldn't invest. So this decision will be yours, and PE ratio will help you to keep for long time, short time, or to buy today or not. For equity and mutual fund related, keep with me. I will update you time to time. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening my this wonderful video. This is a practice for me and my audience also. Thank you. Thank you very much.